Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom when it can't connect to Bluetooth. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on Settings in your mobile. This will open up your device's main settings menu where you can manage all your apps and system preferences. From here, tap on Apps. This section houses all the applications installed on your device and gives you control over how they function. Next, tap on Zoom to access its specific app settings. This is where you can manage everything related to how Zoom operates on your device, including storage, permissions, and other important configurations. Once you're in the Zoom app settings, tap on Storage and Cache. This option controls the temporary data Zoom stores on your device. Now at the top of the screen, tap Clear Cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts with Bluetooth connectivity. These files can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, which prevents Zoom from properly accessing your device's Bluetooth features. Give it a moment to clear the cache completely. After clearing the cache, go back to the main Zoom settings page. From here, tap on Permissions. This is a crucial step because it controls what features and hardware Zoom is allowed to access on your device. Without the right permissions, Zoom simply won't be able to connect to your Bluetooth devices. In the Permissions menu, tap on Nearby Devices. This permission specifically allows Zoom to detect and connect to Bluetooth devices around you. After tapping it, select Allow. This grants Zoom the necessary access to discover and pair with your Bluetooth headphones, speakers, or other audio devices. Now go back to the Permissions menu and tap on Microphone. This ensures Zoom can use your Bluetooth device's microphone if it has one. After tapping Microphone, select Allow Only while using the app. This permission setting is perfect because it gives Zoom microphone access when you need it without compromising your privacy when the app is closed. Finally, restart Zoom and connect your Bluetooth device. The app should now recognize your Bluetooth connection without any issues, and you'll be able to use your wireless headphones or speakers seamlessly during your calls and meetings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.